Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious white sauce macaroni. First, gather all your ingredients including butter, flour, milk, and your favorite cheese. Next, cook your macaroni according to the package directions until it's al dente. Then, we'll prepare a creamy bechamel sauce as the base. Finally, we'll combine everything for a comforting meal. To begin your bechamel, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, cooking for about 1 minute to create a roux. Gradually pour in 2 cups of milk, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Continue cooking and stirring until the sauce thickens to your desired consistency, which usually takes a few minutes. Now it's time to add some wonderful flavor to your bechamel. Season the sauce with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. For an extra layer of warmth, stir in about 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Then, slowly incorporate 1½ cups of your favorite shredded cheese, stirring until it's completely melted and smooth, creating a rich, creamy sauce. With your cheese sauce ready, drain the cooked macaroni thoroughly, ensuring no excess water remains. Gently add the drained macaroni to the warm cheese sauce in the saucepan. Fold everything together carefully until every piece of macaroni is beautifully coated in the creamy, delicious sauce. Serve your homemade white sauce macaroni immediately for the best taste and texture. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.